the desired outcome that an individual commits to imagining, planning, and achieving. People try to achieve their goals in a restricted time by setting deadlines. Good morning, everyone. I, Purva from grade 8, is here with my classmates to represent today's morning assembly on the theme A goal without a plan is nothing more than a wish. Let us start our day by offering prayer to the Supreme Almighty. So get ready for the prayer. Join your hands and close your eyes.
तेरी है जमीन मेरा आसमां तू बड़ा मेहरबान तू बख्शीश कर सभी का है तू सभी तेरे खुदा मेरे तू बख्शीश कर तेरी है जमीन मेरा आसमां तू बड़ा मेहरबान तू बख्शीश कर सभी का है तू सभी तेरे खुदा मेरे तू बख्शीश दुनिया में आए हैं तेरी रहमत से हम सबने ये जिस्म और जान पाई है तू सबसे बड़ी ताकत वाली तू चाहे हर आफत टाले तेरी है जमीन मेरा आसमां तू बड़ा मेहरबान तू बख्शीश कर सभी
To enlighten us and brighten our morning assembly, I would like to call Aga for the thought of the day.
Good morning, everyone. Thought of the day is one part at a time, one day at a time. We can accomplish any goal we set for ourselves. Thank you and have a wonderful day.
Making a habit of learning new words and putting them into practice go a long way to increase our brain capacity and to expand our mind to the world around us. So let us enhance our vocabulary. I would like to call Soumya.
Good morning, everyone. Word of the day is goal, meaning to set a aim for future. Sentence: he set a goal for himself of exercising at least 3 times a week. Thanks.
Knowing what's happening around the world is a very essential duty for all of us. So I would like to call Saurabh to make us aware for the today's current happenings.
Good morning, everyone. Today's news headlines are National News Express investigation over half of Ayushman Bharat beneficiaries scheme to access private care. International News Supermarket found gold among first shops that will open at Tangan's new neighborhood center. Sports News Rohit Gill put India in driver's seat despite late batting collapse.
As you all know, that our exam is going to be held on 11th of March, so I would like to call Abhya to give us all a message.
All the best to the juniors and the seniors for the final term exams that are going to held from 11th of March. So believe in yourself and don't let anything stop you from achieving your goals. Score well and keep working hard. Thank you.
Is there any birthday celebration today? So now I would like to call our walking role model and our idol of perfection, none other than our principal ma'am.